Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss about Python code to download images using the URLs which will be added to our list. So let's start with the video. We will import the library, import request. You can use any editor for this purpose and whatever you like. So let's create a cell there, then we can run it. So we have imported the library. Now we will create a list of the URLs which will be having the URLs to the images. For this video we will take three URLs of images. Let me just copy the three image URLs and paste them here. Hmm. So we have copied the URL, we have loaded the list. We can check out list URLs. Let's see for the first position what we have. So this is the URL. Now we will apply a loop for URL in list URLs. File name we need to find out the file name. What should be the file name? You can take it anyone like numbering or whatnot. For this purpose we will use the file name from the link itself. So we will break the link and we will get the file name from there. So let's do this, and file name will be URL. We are getting the look at this. So this is the complete URL, and what we require is this amount of text from starting from pixels. So we need to break the string from this point onwards. Let's do this. So URL dot r index of this. So this is the symbol where we need to break. We need to plus one, so this thing is not included starting from there to the end. We need this part of the string. So we got our file name. Now we need to save the file. So with open file name, and we need to write it. So we will do wp as f, and then f dot write request dot get url dot content. So this is the code. We have imported the library, we have created a list. This list can be created by using many of the techniques. You can just crawl a page and get the generate a URL list from there, then use this for loop to download all the images there. Let's run this uh, code. So we will make it another cell. Let's run it. It started downloading the images. These are big file images. I think that's why it's taking time. Let's check out. This is the first image. Oh, Mario. This is the second image, and this one is the third image. So this is how we can download the images from the URL which are inside the list. We can put here hundreds of URLs and download in them in one single go. It's quite easy. So you can use this code. I will be keeping this code on the link on a post and I will provide the link in the description. You can check out the code, copy from there, and use them in your scripts. Thank you for watching this video.